Thank you for watching You Can Do It. I'm your host, Chris, and today we're going to be installing an exterior Kwikset door lock in Deadbolt. It's the SmartKey security, and we're going to show you how you can do it.
This particular Kwikset model is called the Juno, and it is a two-part locking system. It has both the door knob that has a key, and then it also, of course, has the deadbolt that is keyed the same. You will need something sharp in order to open the plastic, as it is sealed all the way around. But of course, once you get into that, you have everything you need in order to put in a new exterior doorknob. The doorknob itself is screwed together, so Chris will show you that you do need to unscrew that doorknob system in order to actually install it. And then it comes with everything you need as far as the deadbolt latch, which is right there, along with all the screws that are needed. And Chris is just setting that aside as we're going to install the knob first. And here is the actual latch for that doorknob. And inside that pouch is the directions for the installation. But of course, if you're watching this video, it's because you don't want to read those directions. So we'll show you exactly how you can do this. There's the SmartKey. That is really handy if you have Kwikset doors that are SmartKey technology. You can rekey every single one of them to one set of keys. Now, we don't show that in this video, but if you click the link below in the description, it takes you to our short video that shows how to rekey all of these Kwikset SmartKey technology door locks. So Chris went ahead and unscrewed that knob from itself, and the very first thing he's doing is installing the latch. That latch has to be facing outward. Now, in order to install that exterior doorknob, he's pushing that latch in and then wiggling that doorknob through. See, he is giving that a nice little push to make sure that knob is actually set exactly where it needs to be. And then he is taking the interior knob, lining up the holes where the bolts go through, and placing that right in the proper position. He's going to be using a hand screwdriver in order to install these two bolts so that he does not accidentally scratch off that oil rub bronze finish with a drill. This bottom door system is pretty much finished. He just needs to install the two little screws that go on the latch, but he's going to move on to this deadbolt next. You are going to look for the word up and make sure that that is, of course, in the up position as you push in the deadbolt latch into the hole in the door. And then he's going to take the actual keyed exterior part, which comes with a metal flange, and he's going to put that on the outside of the door. And again, there's really only one way to install it. It has a nice little D-type bolt to it that just goes right on through. And of course, the keyed exterior goes in the upright position with the word Kwikset at the very, very top. So again, really no real way to mess that one up. And then as far as the interior goes, there is also an interior plate. I believe it's steel. It has the word up. And of course, that goes in the upright position, lining up and making sure that those bolt holes are lined up right through the holes of that plate. And then the lock itself says up. So again, you're going to put that over that interior plate. And then Chris is going to lock the actual deadbolt. You see that happening there. The purpose for that is so that he can actually access those two bolt holes in order to drive those big bolts through that deadbolt. In this case, because he had already hand tightened them, he's finishing them off with his drill just to make sure that they're nice and set. And then he's going to just check on that lock, make sure it locks and unlocks nice and freely, and then install those final little screws into the plates of the latches, and then the door itself is officially finished. So Chris is going to move on to the strike plates of the actual door jamb. In this case, the strike plate for the latch was a perfect fit, so he is just replacing it with the nice brand new oil rubbed bronze strike plate. And then moving on to the deadbolt. This Kwikset deadbolt has an oversized strike plate. So what Chris needs to do first is score around that strike plate, and he's taking a box cutter, digging in nice and deep to the depth of the original strike plate, and then he's just going to use that box cutter to just chisel out until that strike plate is completely cut out and ready for install. Make sure that when you are installing that strike plate, that the long screws, which are approximately 2.5 inches long, are going into the big thick meat of that door jamb and not just right where the door trim is. So you see here, we've got that finished door ready for that SmartKey if you need to rekey it. And we are finished. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notification of all our upcoming videos.